Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is just around the corner and I'm sure you guys have started making Christmas recipes, especially fruit cakes, ginger cookies or even butter cookies. So in Kerala we have this tradition of making plum cake, also known as Kerala fruit cake. And for that, usually by November beginning or mid, the dry fruits are soaked in wine or alcohol. So traditionally that is how it is made. You need a little bit of preparation to make Kerala fruit cake, at least 1 month of preparation. But I have already shared a fruit cake which you can make it instantly. You don't need 1 month of soaking dry fruits, and it's super easy to make. Like, it's sort of a last minute Kerala fruit cake recipe. I will leave the link in the description box below just in case you're looking for a healthy Kerala fruit cake recipe. The fruit cake recipe which I mentioned is made with whole wheat flour. There is no maida in that recipe, so it's a healthy Christmas treat for the whole family. And just a couple of days back I shared a ginger cookie recipes. So the reason why I shared that recipe was because I got many requests for gluten-free eggless recipes. The simplicity of that recipe is I made it with bajra along with a few ingredients. Since bajra is gluten free, so you need some sort of binding to make it into a super crispy cookies. So that cookie came out really well. It is super crispy and it has the subtle flavor of ginger, cloves and nutmeg. So it is perfect to have in this Christmas season. Remember, bajra is a winter grain, so it is ideal to include bajra in this season. It will keep, bajra helps to keep you warm. And don't forget to try my ginger cookie recipe. And I'm sure the whole family will love the ginger cookie recipe which I had shared a couple of days back. About getting bajra, I have given a link in the description box below for bajra flour, also known as bajra ke aata. And if you're living in North India, I'm sure you can get it locally. Bajra can be easily sourced locally, especially during November, December, January months. So do try to include bajra in your diet in this season. Now, if you're looking for more Christmas recipes, you can just go to my website www.nisahomey.com, that is nisahomey.com. I have shared countless baking recipes. You can just go there and search on the search bar, or if you want more healthy recipes, you can just search on YouTube. Like, if you're searching for gluten-free cake recipe, just type in on the search bar gluten-free recipe skinny recipes, or eggless cake recipe skinny recipes, or gluten-free cake recipe skinny recipes, or vegan cake recipe skinny recipes, or you can even type in gluten-free cookie recipe skinny recipes. And when you search like that, you can get my recipes, because it is sometimes very difficult to find out from the list of videos from my channel. I have uploaded more than 500 recipes and it's practically impossible to search from the channel. So this way you can quickly search and get the recipe. You just have to type what you're looking for in the YouTube search bar and you can easily get the recipe. Now, since bajra is in season, I've been sharing quite a number of bajra recipes, and last year also I have shared some bajra recipes. Now, if you're looking for millet recipes, I have grouped all the millets into a playlist and I have titled it millet recipes. According to the season, I try to share the seasonal recipes. Even sweet potato and makke ki atta are also in season. So I've shared a couple of recipes with them as well. So you just have to search on YouTube search bar, just type in sweet potato skinny recipes or bajra skinny recipes, or you can just type in makke ke atta skinny recipes, and you will get all the recipes which I have made using those ingredients. So that is one way which you can get my recipes easily. So like I've mentioned in my last video, I do plan to come in front of you like this as often as possible, so that we can get to know more about each other, and that will eventually help us to grow together in a much healthier and sustainable way. Now with regard to using healthy fat, like many of you asked me whether you can avoid using fat. Now it is very important to use a good source of healthy fat. Healthy fats like desi ghee, virgin coconut oil, wood pressed oils like mustard oil, groundnut oil, till oil, or any wood pressed oils which you can locally source from the place you live in. So the reason why you need a good source of healthy fat is that healthy fats helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. Now these days especially in metro cities, vitamin D deficiency is rampant. So including healthy fats in your diet will help to assimilate fat soluble vitamins like vitamin D. So just make sure that you use a good source of healthy fats like A2 desi ghee or virgin coconut oil or any wood pressed oil from the place you live in. Recent studies have shown that using healthy fats in your diet helps to combat hormonal imbalances. So try to avoid refined oils, refined products, and include whole grains, healthy fats and seasonal millets and grains in your diet for a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. So guys, do comment below and let me know what all topics you would like me to discuss with you. Do eat healthy, stay safe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.